Hi everyone, I am Robert Real, one of your business partner here in Front Row, and I will be very glad to assist you very soon. So I'll be going there together with our owners, Sir Sam and Sir RS, together with my mentor also, Sir Anto Garciliano. We are very much excited to see everyone there so that we can start our business, Front Row. So to give you more of update regarding with our business, please listen to Mr. Ola Olu Omotayo because he was the one appointed he's our representative there in our business. So I am encouraging everyone to start now because once we go there, once we go to Nigeria, we will already start the business, and I want everyone who is watching right now to be the pioneer of Front Row Nigeria. It would be much advantage on your part to become the first members of Front Row Nigeria. So that's it. I am so excited to see everyone, to see everybody there. I hope that everyone is doing great today, and hope to see you soon, guys. Have a great day, everyone. See ya.